Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time you're seeing this face, hey, my name is Bash and I'm your makeup tutor for today. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to achieve this super easy brown eyeshadow. This can be used for everyday makeup or an event. So without taking too much of your time, let's get right into the tutorial. So we are going to begin by priming our face, and as you can see on my hand I have my concealer, but if you have eyeshadow primer, please feel free to use that. So I'm using my concealer to do that. Next, using any flat brush you have, you're going to go in with the color. You can see the color I'm using, so you're going to go in and apply that brown eyeshadow as much as you like. So you go in slowly first, don't apply too much at a time because you can always build up. So as you can see, I'm building it up. Then next we're going to be using a soft brown or another lighter shade color like orange or light brown to blend that out at the edge of the crease. Okay, so you can see like I'm doing, so you need to use another lighter color to blend it out at the crease. Then while blending, you might notice that the color is fading off. Feel free to go in and add more. This time around I added a little bit of black eyeshadow to it, and you should have something like this when you finish. Isn't it beautiful, guys? It's really beautiful. And then next you use the same color, the black and the brown color, to smudge under your eye. Using a black pencil, go in onto your waterline and use that pencil to smudge out to deeply create that smokiness, you know, that smoky effect, just to complete all this look. Extend it out into the inner corner of my eye a little bit just to complete that look, guys. Now look at this gorgeousness. Look at that smoky brown eye. You can never go wrong with this. You can never go wrong with this. You can never ever. Alright, so I hope you've learned one or two in this video. I hope by now you'll be able to put this brown eyeshadow into practice. And if you want to know how I achieve all this beautiful makeup on my face, I'll put the link down up here for you. Go and watch it. You will learn how to do your makeup by yourself. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I'm going to be seeing you in my next one. Bye bye.